A very warm welcome to this Tuesday afternoon, and welcome you to LinkedIn Local Graz on this live event today. So it's the last live event for our great LinkedIn Local Graz in-person meeting next week on the 30th of September at 6 p.m. at Lendhafen Graz, where 4 startups will join the stage and will tell their stories and something about themselves. It's a good way to connect with companies, with people, do networking, build new relations, and maybe find some new ideas, visions, jobs, and whatever. So every startup brings up their own ideas and show what's they want, and they want to build the community. LinkedIn local events are community driven, so it's organized and people should join. If you're online on LinkedIn, you have the chance to meet the community offline and you can do networking next to the River Moor. There are still tickets available, so you have the chance to buy one of the last tickets. So they are getting fewer and fewer every day. And you see up there the QR code, so you can buy your ticket and you can join us next week. Ticket includes the access to the venue as well as food and drinks, and we have delicious finger food and some sorts of drinks to have a very nice atmosphere to talk to other people, to get in deep talks and find some new people there. If you want to know more about the agenda, just go to the ticket page. There is the agenda, and you can see all more information what you need or you want to know. Today, I invited our last startup, which was not on the live stage yet. It's SVAN Technologies, and I will add now Gumbri and Ewald. Gumbri is the CEO and Ewald is the CTO of SVAN Technologies, and very warm welcome to both to join today's live and next week's meeting in person, live and in color at Landhafen Graz.
Thank you, Clemens. Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, thank you for joining LinkedIn Local with one of the 4 startups. And it's always great to have some different startups there, as in the last shows I already told the people that we have a quite mixtures of startups from different industries. So it's not only healthcare, it's also marketing and sales. And we have one of technologies where they're doing some with charging electrical vehicles and make them much easier and better. But today we are focused on SVAN technologies, which makes life better, especially for babies, if they have something. And yeah, we will now use the next 10 minutes to talk about a little bit about LinkedIn Local, a little bit about you, and a little bit about community. And so to get the people to see the people why they should join next week, and maybe should also get in talk with one of you if they want to get more about this topic. So I will hand over now to you, Gumbri, in order to just tell us a few words what SVAN is doing.
Thank you so much, Clemens. Thank you for this opportunity. It's great. It's all about the community, and we are producing the product for the future community, so for the babies. It's an auto injection device which is used to deliver life-saving emergency drugs in the tiniest that need it the most. Emergencies in newborns can occur everywhere inside the delivery room immediately after birth or outside when they are at home within the first month of their birth. And it can be very critical if the drug is not injected within the right time. And usually it needs a specialist to solve, to address this issue. And here we are developing this very smart injection tool. It's right here next to me. It's portable. It works with a battery. It allows 300 times injection, and the size that we are talking about is the leg of the baby. It really is this size, and it's very easy to apply. It's very intuitive. There is a button. You just have to press the button, and the needle goes inside automatically, and it stops automatically in the bone. And therefore the doctor or any paramedic can easily deliver the drug in the right position in the right time. And our goal is that no time is wasted, and that it enables every single doctor and paramedic to save the life in a very small amount of time. Thank you.
That sounds very great, and to see that it helps, hopefully, many children or babies to survive, which was not the case yet. So, yeah, Ewald, you are also joined today, so maybe you can tell a few words from your perspective
Yeah,
and
I
why
think
people should get known about a little bit more about your topic.
yeah, it's a big honor for us that we can attend this event from your side, and it's fine for me because I'm a technician. I'm biomedical engineer, so I'm coming from the technical side and try to make the bridge between technician and doctors. And we are always addressing the need of the doctors. So we are not thinking about okay what we can do new and finally it's not needed. So we really address the part which is needed at the point. And to save the babies is a really big need because there's nothing on the market which has a small size that you can deliver drugs into the bone at the right time in a short time and with this precision as we have. So it's a long tradition what we have. It's a stop technology which we have included, and this is a unique part, and it's really the unique selling point of our product.
Yeah, cool. So I will move now to the next topic. It's the community, because the event is more a community-driven event. So where the initial idea was to get to meet the people from the online side or from LinkedIn on the offline side, so you can build your relationship there and also meet people which you never met anywhere else, because they are only online, read some postings, and then you can talk to them. So mm, what do you think, why is a community important to you?
Um, as we mentioned before, that it's a product for the community, and it is not possible to do this alone. And community is on the one hand a support, because without the community we cannot go further with the development and production process. On the other hand, it's really important to get feedback and motivation from the community, and events like this and events like conferences, and especially because with Graz we have a very long history, because we found our production partner Otronic in Graz, the industrial partner. And so I think community is really important. It is through events like this that we are growing. We started as 3 co-founders. The third co-founder is Dr. Eva Schwind. And we have expanded only through the help of community and such events. And therefore, it's really important. The community gives us the right feedback, and this motivates us to go forward.
Yeah, and when we go back and think back about other events, I like this interdisciplinary which you offer at this podium. This is very great because I'm like to have interdisciplinary work. We are working in medical, yes, but it is a technical solution for a problem. And that's why this interdisciplinary work and this exchange and the possibility to exchange between the other spin-offs, it's totally cool and super interesting.
I would also like to add that sometimes interacting with the community also gives us new ideas, and it also extends the application of the product. So the product that we are making right now is based on the auto stop technology. It's a patented technology protected by 4 patents. And this technology is not only helpful for injection, but it's also helpful for using in other surgical procedures which have something to do with very delicate anatomical structures. So if you want to enter the body which in a position which is very close to critical structures like nerves or important organs, this technology can be used very easily. It can be applied and translated for such a procedure. And community gives us ideas to extend it, because they give us they always come and tell us that, hey, you can apply your product in this technology. So for example, in bone marrow harvest, or the other person would say you can apply it in a cranial drill where you have to make a hole in the bone, and it's so close to the outer layer of the bone that it can be a dangerous procedure. So community drives us, motivates us, and also gives us great ideas.
Yeah, that's also one of the purpose of this event, so that it shouldn't be a pitch show where everybody is on stage and pitches what's best product and buy it, whatever. It's more about to bring up the story and
Yeah.
maybe some learnings. And if you're looking for someone or some ideas or whatever, then it's also a good possibility to be there. Because if someone wants to join medical industries, then it's good chance to go there and go into a talk with you and your partners. And also yesterday I had a post on LinkedIn where I said, yeah, some days ago I get the consciousness that which people are actually joining the event, because with Outrunning is a real big company, as I have seen, and yeah, your industrial partner, but they are not only in medical, they are also in some other
Yeah.
industries. So if people want to go in those industries or find also an industrial partner or whatever, they have the chance to go into a talk with them, where probably you get only on some special events where they are, and not a general event like this. And that's
Totally.
what for me is really interesting, and also starting for networking. So if people are not that open-minded to talk with others, we will help, because we will play a game at the beginning, and everyone gets a sheet of paper, and then we can play. So you a bit convinced and nudged to you are asked to talk to other peoples and get into talks.
That sounds wonderful. We are very much looking forward to the event.
Yeah.
And also we are also looking for investment partners and strategic in basically strategic investors who can help us grow and make sure that the product development goes without any bottlenecks. So I think this event would be really helpful for us. We are currently in the pre-seed stage. We are doing our clinical tests soon. We have all the ethic approvals, and to keep this workflow is smooth, we will soon need investments, and in return we offer equity in our company. So I think it's going to be a great event to find strategic partners.
Yeah, then we're coming to an end of today's talk.
Thank you.
You and all investors outside there, if you are interested in medical engineering, biomedical engineering, and SVAN is something for you, maybe you join our event next week on the 30th September at 6 p.m. Landhafen Graz. There are still tickets available, so there is the QR code and you can buy the ticket. Um, on behalf of the other three events, and also on behalf of the other three startups and of you, we hope to very welcome you next Tuesday in Graz.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Clemens.
That's cool. We see us.
Looking forward to see you.
Thank you. Bye.